Question number 1. I am surprised. U. A. By. B. From. C. With. Question number 2. I. Call you later. A. Will. B. Am. C. Shall. Question number 3. He. Tired after the long journey. A. Were. B. Was. C. Will. Question number 4. She is good. Singing. A. At. B. In. C. On. Question number 5. They are afraid. The dark. A. For. B. Of. C. With. Question number 6. We. To the park yesterday. A. Go. B. Gone. C. Went. Question number 7. She. In London since 2015. A. Live. B. Has lived. C. Lives. Question number 8. The sun. In the east. A. Rises. B. Rise. C. Rising. Question number 9. If it rains. We. Home. A. Will stay. B. Stayed. C. Stays. Question 10. I have never. Such a beautiful place before. A. Seen. B. Saw. C. See. Question number 11. He usually. Coffee in the morning. A. Drink. B. Drinks. C. Drinking. Question number 12. She. Her homework before dinner. A. Finish. B. Finishes. C. Finished. Question number 13. The train. At 7 p.m. A. Arrives. B. Arrive. C. Arriving. Question number 14. I. To the market when you called. A. Was going. B. Go. C. Goes. Question number 15. By this time next year. She. Her studies. A. Finish. B. Will finish. C. Will have finished.